Hey y'all, how you doing? Hope you all are doing well on today or tonight, whenever you all are watching this. I filmed this video before the craziness going on currently in the States when it comes to the coronavirus pandemic. But I did want to drop in and say that I hope each and every one of you are remaining safe during this crazy, scary, and confusing time. I know this is very frustrating for all of us, but I know over time that we will all get through this. And yeah, y'all, we just got to stay prayed up during this time. But yeah, y'all, I'm going to get out of here. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. I did a video on this install and I showed you all a little bit of how I do my loose curls. So I hope you all enjoy this video. I hope it's something nice to watch during your downtime. I will have all of the information on this wig that I am styling down below in the description, and I will also talk about it a little bit at the end of the video, but I will have timestamps down below so you can get to the part you're looking for in the video if you want to skip through down below. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I thank you all so much for your support. Love y'all so much. Talk to you guys later. So I'm just coming through. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. And this is a wig from Allove hair. They sent me out a 22-inch 180% density wig. This is a 13x4 lace frontal unit. I just added some loose curls, as you guys saw. I did go in and bleach my knots on this wig, as well as I customized the hairline. It's a nice density, not too thin, not too thick, but it's like the perfect density if you don't like too much hair, but you like enough where it looks full. It does look full for the density. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, any questions, comments, or concerns, please be sure to hit me up down below. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to talk to you guys in my next video. Love y'all so much. Bye.